Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. Today I've got an unboxing and review of the Orbitkey 2.0. I picked this up from their website for $44.90. They are available in a large variety of colours. The one you see here is the espresso with brown stitching. The reason I went for this colour was I wanted it to match my wallet. But irrespective, they do come in a variety of colours. I also bought one of the accessories. So there are 3 accessories that they offer. You've got your bottle opener, and they also offer a USB stick with either 8 or 32 gigabytes of storage. And then also they've got the multi-tool. The multi-tool itself, as it says on the back, it's a multi-function tool. It's got a box cutter, bottle opener, a file, a flathead, screwdriver, pry tool, hex wrench, and made of stainless steel. So we'll go ahead and open this one quickly, just have a quick look at it, and then we'll go on to the Orbitkey. So as you can see, this is accessories and multi-tool, and the ecosystem that they offer, and obviously what everything does. Quite solid and very good. And now let's go to the key organizer. So you've got the key organizer here. On the back, no key jingles and scratches, carry 2 to 7 keys, flexible yet secure locking mechanism. Carry your car key with the D-ring, which is included, D-ring being the ring over here. The scratching part sounds, and the jingling, so my current keys, as you can see, like that, jingling, but the scratching part, as you can see, this is taking quite a beating. So we'll go ahead and open it up. So what's it say here? Make small changes to live better. And we've got the Orbitkey itself, so let's have a look. Okay, so we'll go ahead and unscrew it. Okay, so it just comes off. Make sure we don't lose that washer. The back end of it. And we've got another washer here. So what I'll do is I'll take that out as well. The leather itself is a very soft leather, and inside it's a material with the Orbitkey branding, genuine leather branding as well. Feels quite good in the hands. What I'll do now is I'll pull the keys off, put them all onto here, and hopefully not lose too many fingernails in the process. Let's see if I can do this quicker. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the back on. Let's put one of the washers on as well. Okay, looks like I've been doing it the wrong way, so let's start again. So we'll start with this end. Sometimes this side's longer. There we go. Just grab the 10-cent coin to tighten it a little bit. And there we have it. So all the keys are on, including the multi-tool. Also on the D-ring, you can see the Orbitkey logo there. Grab the car key as well. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. Obviously I will reattach the USB stick and the gym pass as well, but let's see how easy they are. So the keys just obviously come around, use what you need. So yeah, crack a bottle open, house keys, whatever. Feels quite stable. Once again, no need to worry about anything moving around. And it does look quite nice. So as I was saying, like I got it to match the wallet. So as you can see, matches the Bellroy brown quite nicely. And I'm really liking the look and feel of this. Go ahead and reattach everything, just to see what it finally looks like. So there we have it. So obviously using one of these. Still get a bit of scratching here, but overall, very cool product. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe, as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.